Welcome to CentrixOne CRM. CentrixOne is an all-in-one CRM and marketing solution with a mission to be simple, intuitive, and affordable. Let's delve deeper and take a look at the different modules and features. The Contacts and Accounts modules are where your data and communications are centralized. Start by segmenting your leads into different lists to create clear, systematic processes. Keep and check everything in one place. Contact information, tasks, opportunities, documents, and all activities such as email communications and calls. Let's take it even further and add custom fields to capture additional information specific to your business. Having this extra data in your custom fields will help you segment and filter your database, giving you more context about your accounts and contacts. Easily customize your view on information displayed in different columns. Add additional fields for information you wish to see at first glance. Fuel your business and sales growth by never missing a follow-up. The Tasks module gives you an overview on existing tasks with their different statuses. Use various filters to customize your view. Click on a task to open it and view more details. While on the road, enable voice-to-text dictation to facilitate note-taking. Change the status here within the task. Or click and drag a task as it progresses. Manage your opportunities similarly. See all relevant information at a glance. Activate your filters and view a summary of opportunities categorized under their sales stages in a Kanban view. Or switch over to the Reports tab if you prefer a list view. Watch your sales progress every day on your customized dashboards. View your sales by rep, product, or activate your filters to dig into numbers. Get sales pipeline forecasting in real time. Monitor your team's work to better support them. Say goodbye to Excel spreadsheets, multiple software, and repetitive processes. Your marketing team is going to love CentrixOne's simple and intuitive email editor. Create email campaigns directly within your CRM and send perfectly timed, personalized emails to make your customers feel you're right there with them. With easy drag-and-drop editing, add your content to pre-built templates and filter your email lists to target specific audiences. Let CentrixOne take on all your repetitive tasks and dedicate your time to nurturing your clients. With the integrated automation tool, program chains of actions using triggers, timed responses, and define actions. Automate an email or task creation and design flawless customer journeys to send the right message at the right time. What's more, not everyone in your organization needs to be on the same plan. Mix and match different plans depending on the user's role. Sign up for a free trial today and discover the all-in-one sales and marketing CRM solution to grow your business.